Go on, give us a little breaststroke.
Was it slippery?
Yeah, a little bit.
And you found a hot tub?
The hot tub was nice to be there. I enjoyed it. Just come join me.
Oh no, it's a bit too far, I think.
Huh?
It's a bit too far. All the way over there.
Huh? What you say? Sun's gone in.
Still baby, 1 year.
Oh, so little.
Timeless. This is Luang. Doesn't like me.
Oh my god.
Woo. Oh. It's gonna take a weight on me. Timeless and Luang.
The beautiful girl and that's handsome man.
You handsome man, but you do not like me, do you? Grab the fence and you're mad. Oh! These ones are in cages because they're endangered, the albinos. And then you've got the ones that are out and about, which are just normal ones.
They'll fight together if they're out. Ah, okay. Oh,
Hey, Luang, ito mas.
you don't want my one? Are you all the way up there?
Try and give it a... There.
Come last.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh no.
The hands are mad. They're like little, they're actual fingers.
So like this papaya.
Yeah.
Papaya.
Papaya.
You push it in the thing.
I don't know why, it just freaks me out a little bit.
They have the big kid.
Oh, Ben, give it to me.
You thought I was teasing you, I wasn't. Thank you for not weighing on me.
Ah, okay.
Oh, nah. They are creepy.
Let's find another hole.
Oh, that actually gives me the heebie-jeebies.
He's gonna hit you with a stick.
We're off to the zoo, hooray, hooray, let's see the animals and play all day.
It's gonna grab his stick, look.
Monkeys swing from tree to tree.
They've all gone rogue up the top.
They get them so you can see like that.
Love it. Chilling. We've got these three having a little mess about. This one's ready for its bum prune. Look at the arch on it. Megan, you do not want to see what's happening over here. Not quite. It's like a monkey. Look at the face. He's enjoying it. So he's ready. Or she's ready. Why?
Cleaning it.
Why are you taking a photo of it? And why am I taking? Yeah, I'm gonna take a video of it. To be fair.
Oh, it's just cleaning. They're helping each other out.
No, it's true. It's true.
You cheeky. They're nice. Oh, drop that one. So we're now at the Monkey River. We've come down here after seeing some little albino monkeys. Ben's got this huge leaf fan and he keeps demanding that I come over and fan him with it, whilst he's just had his iced coffee delivered to him by this lovely man up here. Mine is a caramel latte. So we've basically just walked down lots and lots of steps in like a forest jungle, seen some monkeys. Ended up here in a little cool pool, pretty much to ourselves because no one else seems to want to swim around here. And this is the river, Monkey River. I just had a walk all the way over there and saw a massive, massive lizard. But I just couldn't keep up with it. Think that this is a relaxing experience?
Yeah. I want to see a big lizard though.
No, you can't. I'm the only one that gets to see those kinds of
For a
things.
lizard about this big. This fat. Oh, thank you. I've only seen lizard this big so far. Yeah, it's not too bad, is it?
Oh, sorry. It's a bit mossy in here.
It is a bit mossy. But where else could you just come along and just like work in this nature?
He's so respectful. Oh, I don't really know how to do this transitioning from one side to the other side, but now they can see us.
Hey, sup fam? I'm jealous.
You're literally in the middle of the rainforest. Not a rainforest, a forest. But it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's definitely not raining.
No, it's not.
It's a bit like Wales.
Look how big that leaf is.
If Wales had massive lizards and snakes and monkeys in the tree. And leaves the size of your head. It's the biggest leaf I've ever seen. Adam. I know I can't. There's not many people here, but I can't take the short for that. I can't do it. Then our last stop on our waterfall tour is the glass bridge. And you've got the last waterfall. It's getting a bit busy now. Enjoy it though?
Yeah, it's good. Let's go for a little dip.
Right, let's go get an Indian.
Dinner time.
Dinner time. Bye bye bye.